Naitwa Kopro Irene. Huyu ni mzee wangu. Anaitwa Dan Cheriot. Tumefurahia siku ya leo, tumefurahia excellency kutuchangamsha kama sisi officers. So leo tumeunganishwa kama familia na tunafurahia.
Kwa majina mimi ni Daniel Cheriot. Nadhani hii ni sherehe ya ajabu kwa sababu imetuunganisha pamoja na tunashukuru.
Tunaona wanaharusi wanametameta. Tuko hapa kwa ajili ya wanaharusi. Mimi ni msimamizi, nimeleta rafiki yangu. Hii ni siku kubwa sana. Tumeigojea kwa hamu na gamu na tunashukuru Mungu ameifikisha. Tunasema ni asante kwa Mungu. Tunaomba ikuwe siku njema na ya kufaa na
away from our families. And the only time a husband meets with the wife is during off ama leave within a year, because of the nature of our work. And when the men are working where they are working, if at all they don't have the protection of God, they are astray. Others here cannot do a wedding like this. Why? Because they have different families. Work that officers may be allowed. Because traditionally, they are legally married. But when there is a way they can assist in that area, because it is becoming a hindrance. Naelezeo hakuna kulingana kama wewe ni Mkristo. To join you to say hi.
Mr. Douglas Kanja, who is my boss, my immediate boss, and psychosocial support in Kenya Police Service. I want to bring his congratulatory and all Kenyans that seasons come, opportunities come, opportunities go. We who you never know after they leave what the church will go through. I am a church historian, if you will. Having said that, I want to thank you, Your Excellency, for and we are really grateful. Thank you very much, sir. God bless you.
Okay. National Police College Keganjo, Madam Esther Mwangi.
My colleagues and the newly wedded couple. That's why I was feeling very hungry. Good afternoon. My name is Wangu. Of 4 couples from the college, and it is prudent that we give them, remind him. When he empowers a woman, marriage and a family, when it is stable, the entire nation. We are not taking this for granted. God bless you.